What's up, guys? Blind Plant Vlog. It has been 504 days since the last update I gave y'all on my yucca plant from a cutting. And since that update, it's been growing very well. 504 days later, and this is what you have. A pretty large specimen, as you say so myself. I mean, this thing's, it's hard to give you an idea of how big it is, but here's my hand. And yeah, it's pretty big. It used to be really tiny. It was like tiny. Like, here's the old leaves down here. They're right down here. 504 days ago, these were the leaves it had. And now, fast forward a year and a half later, and it's gone pretty big. I just gave it a pruning. That's what all this is. These used to be leaves here, but I just gave it a pruning. And it's actually beginning to develop a trunk. If I do that, you can see that. See that? That's wood starting to develop, guys. That's really great to see. Eventually, these things will grow up. And in a couple of years from now, it'll have a woody trunk down here. And these things, if you see them in the wild, sorry, they have like multiple trunks, and they take a lot of years to get to that point, and they look very gorgeous. They're really good architecture plants. But right now, it's just chilling in this pot, growing pretty fast, and I have done nothing. I have not given them any water. I do not really do anything. These guys are crazy. I sometimes forget about them, and that's fine. I will give him a little more care this year, though he has no problems whatsoever. These leaves are perfect. Has a blue tint to them. It's really nice. I do hope it flowers this year, but I do not know if it's that time yet. See down in the spear, new leaves are starting to develop again. Springtime's coming, so this guy will put on another few inches of growth. I mean, it's only, in the last 504 days, it's only gained like that much height of stem. So they grow very slowly, but it's very rewarding. So yeah, guys, that's an update, and I'll make sure to give y'all more frequent updates. Nothing really happens to this guy, but if he throws out a flower spike this summer, I'll give you an update, but it's probably too young for that yet. But I don't really know how yuccas work, so maybe they will put out a flower early. But yeah, guys, that's it. So that's the update. Another update when it flowers, so that'll be the next update, however long it takes. Another 500 days, another 2 years, 5 years, I don't know. But that'll be the next update. See you next one, guys.